Hey guys, so a quick video for about Recteq pellet grill, like primarily the reasons why you shouldn't buy it. Now, first I want to say it's a like great product, and you get like great build quality, stainless steel, that's like good, polished bull and horn. Also, you get like huge cooking space for it if you want to like actually use it. So as you can see, like it's insanely big, heavy duty, high quality grill grates, shipped with a great hook for removing hot grates. So again, it's amazing. Also, you get like cast iron heat deflector. Can reach low to meet 600 Fahrenheit for grilling searing, and that's good. But you don't have pellet dump. This is very important. So we don't have it here with the pellet grill. Maybe you would need it. Also, if you want to have like even the Wi-Fi connectivity, so sometimes it can have like issue with Wi-Fi, but maybe this is not going to be your case, of course. And then there is going to be definitely like hotspots that you have to be aware of. And another thing is that, for example, for the Fahrenheit, there I've seen reports people saying that they couldn't get to the 700 Fahrenheit. And also you don't have the front folding shelf that is like sold separately, not convenient place to store the grate hook. And yeah. And it doesn't have the riot mode feature from the Recteq. So that's pretty much it, primarily like the important things that you have to be aware of. So thank you very much for watching. This was like quick and effective video, what you can actually expect from it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.